Okay, my friends, I'm gonna give you a little walking tour of the arrivals. I know that sign says departures, but that's departures going upstairs. I'm gonna give you a tour of the arrivals area at Ninoy Aquino Airport Terminal 3. Now this is gate 1, and then outside it's pole 1, but the gates don't always correspond. There's more poles than there are gates. Okay, so I'm just gonna take you for a walking tour. If you're going up to departures, I showed you a dirty little trick in my last video, but that's departures up there. Now make note that if you go to departures, you cannot get in the airport without a flight itinerary, but you can get into the arrivals area to await for your party. And what you want to do, you have to go through security right here. So it's a, you know, it's by, okay, it's gate 2. It's like gate 2, hole 2, and it's right here by the 7-Eleven, First Colonial. There's a Wendy's, so you can get something to eat there at Wendy's. Okay, but you got to come in security, and no problem, and you can meet your party. But again, if you try to go wait with your party at departure level, you can't wait with them at the departure levels. So you got a nice waiting area, 7-Eleven, Wendy's. And if you're looking for a SIM card, you got Globe and Smart right here to the left. I recommend Globe. And there's a couple ATMs, there's a BPI. And then you're coming up on, this is gate 3 right here, but this is only an exit. You can't come in other than the security back over there. There's gate 3. You got a little liquor store with a pier door, and then over to my right are the arrivals. Okay, Metro Bank and Philippine National Bank, PNB. Now the exchange rate right now is 50.45. That's why I always say figure 50 to 1. So there's money changers all in here. All of these places, all the banks have money changers. They're all about the same rate. And then this is where you'll meet your party. I think the domestic is on the right, but basically this chute right here is where everybody comes out of. So they're coming out of this chute. You can see the baggage claim in the background. And it's Christmas time, so right at this big Christmas tree. But everybody's coming out this one spot, which corresponds with gate 4. But if you're outside, it's pole number, I think it's pole number 6. So let me check this out. Yeah, it's bay 6, but it's gate 4. So if you're outside for some reason you can't get in, they're coming out by bay 6, pole number 6. And so there's your one spot. It's pretty hard to miss somebody if you're in here, because they're coming out one chute. And as you can see in the background over there, that's the baggage claim. So you can see folks going to the baggage claim and just wait right here. It's Christmas time, so you got some Christmas carolers playing Christmas music. Okay, Phil Trust, there's a BDO. 2 BDO ATMs right here. And if I'm going to use one, I'll use these BDOs. They're the newest looking ones. And again, you got a Smart and a Globe SIM card booth right here. I recommend Globe. And there's 2 more over there. So if it's busy, realize you've got Globe, Smart, and also they got the arrivals up on this one screen here if it's working, and it looks like it is working. I'm waiting on Delta 181 out in Narita, and like 25 minutes. Okay, so you got the arrivals, and again, plenty of places to get a SIM card. The SIM card is either free or it's $1 if you got an unlocked phone. Obviously, just plop the SIM card in there. I recommend getting the Globe, and if you're going to be here for more than 2 2 weeks, get the Super Surf 999. It's like 20 bucks for data for 1 month. All right, so there are a couple more money changers. And folks, most of the time, no matter the time of day, the seats for the waiting area are going to be taken. It's going to be crowded. You know, welcome to the Philippines. But you got Wendy's down there, and there's a couple of well, several more eating spots. So you got Burger King. What's that? Sim Sha Shui. Little tea bar, little tea and coffee shop. They got, looks like a sandwich or two. Probably getting ready to close up. But you got Burger King. I think it's open 24 hours a day. Okay, so make that gate 6. There's another security screening point, so you can come down to gate 6 too, which is by pole 10 or bay 10 outside. There's a hotel counter and a rent-a-car. You can rent your vehicle down here, which I don't recommend renting a vehicle in this country. Just take taxis and public transit. All right, now this is the exit, and there's a footbridge over to Resorts World, which you'll see on my other video. And of course, it wouldn't be complete without a Jollibee. And if you've ever listened to me, I do not like Jollibee for many reasons. But if you want to go to Resorts World, there's a footbridge that's going up here. And obviously up on the, well, I'm assuming you saw my old video, there are a lot more restaurants up on the departures level. Okay. So Jollibee, which is always going to be crowded, and you'll never be able to find a seat. But if you have a Filipina, she loves it. She will wait until somebody leaves. Krispy Kreme donuts. There's a Dairy Queen. And there's a Chow King. And I do not recommend Chow King either. Don't go in there like I've done multiple occasions trying to give it a fair shake. Don't go in there thinking it's Chinese food like you get in America, because it's certainly not. So if you're from the West, and you get here late and you're gonna get some food down here on this level, either hit the Dairy Queen, the Burger King, or the Wendy's. You'll be safe. The Jollibee is slop and the Chow King is slop. I don't recommend that. That's just the way it is. Okay, so that's your quick little walking tour around the arrivals area. Ninoy, Aquino International Airport here in Manila. This is Terminal 3, my friends. I guess that's about all I can show you. I'm not sure what is in this direction, but it says exit. And so I don't want to go out that way because my folks are almost here. But there's an exit out there, a couple more shops. I guess I can take you this way a little ways. Okay, so there's a duty free over here. Okay, Okada is one of the new casinos, so I'm not sure what they got there. But this is duty free, so if you're looking for some liquor on the way out. Okay, all right, it's pretty big in here. So this is the other end of the duty free, because I think actually when you come in, you're coming in on that side. Hell, I don't know, never been through there. Anyhow, there's duty free, and that's pretty much the tour. It's pretty much the tour. And if you want a little coffee shop under the shade tree, I'll put a link to that video down in the description. A little shade tree across the way. And that's your walking tour, my friends. All right, I gotta meet my people. Thanks for joining me on this little walking tour. See you guys on the next one. Peace out.